I'm going to guide you on how to hide your location on Snapchat. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So in order to hide your location on Snapchat, you need to log in into your Snapchat account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Then come to your profile, and then at the top, you are going to see settings icon at the top right corner. So tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you need to scroll down a little bit. Then under privacy control, you are going to see my location. So tap on it. Then it will land you here under my location. So when you turn on this button, ghost mode, when you enable, your friends can't see your location. So you need to turn on this button. So you are going to tap on it. Then tap on until turn off. Then once you've done that, now you will need to go to your phone settings. You will close this one. Then go and open your phone settings. Then scroll down. Then tap on apps. Then tap on apps again. Then go to search apps and search for Snapchat. Tap on it. Then it will land you here on app info. So you will just scroll down a little bit and go to permissions. You are going to see all the features that you have given Snapchat access to. So we see that camera, contacts, location, phone, and storage. So in order to hide your location on Snapchat, you need to tap on location and deny. Tap on deny, then go back. Then by doing so, you will deny Snapchat from accessing your location. So by doing so, you will hide your location on Snapchat. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice time.